Hello, my name is Jonathan and I am a service advisor here at Sierra Honda. The three main advantages in regards to getting your vehicle serviced here at our certified service center is: 1, we have factory trained technicians; 2, we use factory Honda genuine OEM parts; and 3, we have factory trained service advisors that are equipped to assist you in regards to whatever you may need for your vehicle. We offer quite a few different amenities, one being we have a shuttle service that can provide you a ride Monday through Friday within a 10-mile radius to and from, whether it be your residence or work. There is also a waiting lounge which guests can feel free to wait in. There's comfortable couches, there's TV, also snacks available, as well as complimentary free Wi-Fi. The way the late night drop-off works, it provides you with an opportunity to go ahead and drop your vehicle off after the service hours. There is an envelope. You go ahead and jot down all your information, you sign it, you make sure your keys are in the envelope, as well as all your windows are rolled up and your doors are locked. There is a drop box where you slide the envelope into, and in the very next morning we will go ahead and grab that vehicle and touch base with you. We are your premier service center for all your Honda repair and servicing needs. From a simple oil change, to a repair on your transmission, to brake pads, tire rotations, or an alignment. Please stay connected with us for service clinics and social events at sierrahonda.com.